Today I'm here with a brand new phone, monster Samsung Galaxy M51. Now I'm going to unbox my monster phone. All of you get ready guys to watch my phone. So I'm very excited to see. Wow, it's a monster. It really looks like a monster, isn't it guys? Yeah. See the camera, how it looks amazing. See the color, it's electric the color. Please guys mention in the comments section below. Wow, now I'm powering on. Wow, so this phone is a 8GB plus 128GB variant. This phone runs with Snapdragon processor 730G at a clock speed of 2.2 GHz plus 1.8 GHz. Download smart switch later. Its rear camera, this one, it has 64 megapixel plus 12 megapixel plus 5 plus 5, and it's this front camera has 32 megapixel, and the wide angle, its wide angle is 123 degree. This phone has a monster battery, 7 mAh lithium ion. It is India's first 7000 mAh battery, so it's pretty impressive. All of you will like it because of its battery backup. It will go maximum like 2 to 3 days if you use normally in standard use. Okay, so it has 25 watt USB type C fast charger. It takes around 115 minutes. Face recognition. This phone takes 115 minutes for charging from 0 to 100%. This phone's display is Super AMOLED plus Infinity O display. This sign in, skip, finish. Yeah, finish. It has first face unlock and side fingerprint sensor. Side fingerprint sensor is pretty fast here. Wow, see how beautiful it looks. The screen, the display, because of it is Super AMOLED display, so the screen looks quite amazing, isn't it guys?